Bero mokonyi BW'ENSE BW'ENSE Rigathi Gachagu niko bona Omochirie hegati ababwatani be serikali ya Kenya Kwanza abo babere bakomochie serikali ya eta yaye oyo kabero BW'ENSE Uhuru Kenyatta so gotaikira nigwa kwegati EMEROBERIO Musike Gachagu niko bona Omochirie serikali ya bono nsyo BW'ENSE William Ruto haso gokonga kubogima abego kweneki kubura yo basate biro komentakana kwa magori ya Amabuta ye petrol na bego ye diesel ya sama tukabwangoiga nigentokira achie kwenekia omwananchi gotwara chinga kichikongo kwegandiria sasa bile serikali beke EMEROBERIO yo kweneke unanko mokonyere mwananchi.
It is true you have increased prices of fuel by 40 shillings. You are purporting to reduce by 9 shillings. That cannot give any relief to the people of Kenya. And all this is happening because of conflicts of interest. The so-called G2G program is your program. Those are your companies. So put national interests above personal interests. And we have said after 7 days, we are going to have a meeting with the other leaders and decide the way forward for the people of Kenya. So that if you decide that Kenyans must stay in anguish and poverty, the people of Kenya will come out and tell you no. And they will do so within the law so that you can behave responsibly and stop putting personal interests ahead of the national interest. Adentwale, let me tell you, don't talk about humiliation and persecution of a deputy president. President Uhuru Kenyatta never paid members of parliament to impeach William Ruto as deputy president. President Uhuru Kenyatta never sent goons and police to beat and tear gas William Ruto as deputy president. He allowed him to serve his term. President Uhuru Kenyatta never stopped William Ruto from moving around the country. He was everywhere. In this mountain, he was here every week. And President Uhuru Kenyatta never stopped him. William Ruto has done the exact opposite. He has not only humiliated and persecuted his deputy, but paid MPs to remove him from office.
Mudogo itoka Songo nasikia anakuja pale hapa Murang'a tarehe 24. Na anakuja tarehe 24 kuendelea na mambo yake ya kutenga. Hakuna kitu mpya.
Ndugu yangu Muriu anasema kwamba rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya anakuja huku Murang'a on the 24th of this month, this coming week. Sisi tunataka tu tumwambie rais wa Kenya William Ruto, ukija Murang'a tafadhali ujue kuna vijana wetu watatu ambao uliua. Mmoja anatoka Kangima. Wodi ukitaka kujua tutakwambia ya Muhuru. Tuna kijana mwingine kutoka Kigumo Kinyona Ward. Na tuna kijana mwingine kutoka Ngararia Ward pale Kandara. Utuambie when you are planning to compensate the families